Just coming back from the station. I thought we had a call coming in, but fortunately a person in trouble managed to sort themselves out, so no longer required. Sounds good. So while we've got nice weather, I'm going to take you on a couple of little roads around near me that are really stunning at this time of year. I've kind of been waiting for them to be this pretty. You know, you gotta wait for the leaves to come back on the trees and stuff, and for nature to really flourish. Otherwise it's just sticks and twigs, you know what I mean? So with that, I'll let you enjoy these couple of country roads. Enjoy. Yeah, one of my favourite roads down here, so I have to share it. Because hopefully it's not too busy. With this evening sun as well, you know, it really sets it apart and shows it off. Quite fortunate really, it's been cloudy all day. It's been dry, but the weather said just cloudy all day. It said nothing about the sun, so right now we're quite fortunate. And what else would you rather be doing right now? I've had some comments on my previous videos recently that they love the sound of this engine and exhaust, and they quite enjoy just listening to it during a morning coffee. But I've had a few people say that now, and that's, I just find that really cute. That's lovely to hear. And if I'm honest, I do the same myself. I just love the sound of it. It sets you up for the day. I've got no plans to change the exhaust at all. It's just the right amount of meatiness, you know. It's not overly offensive, it's quiet when it needs to be, but you know, when you open the taps, it's got everything there. And you know it's coming. Yeah, I love this bit around here. Everything, just trees, grass, nettles, barns, farms, got the lot. Down here a bit further on, we've got like woods and stuff. Yeah, lots of trees, but yeah, in the winter it looks quite boring and desolate. Just mud and twigs basically. So it's always, I always look forward to this. Oh, whoops, have I missed that turning? I must have turned down there about 1 million times, and that's the first time I've missed it. That's nice for you, actually. Try and bear that one in mind. going to try and cut these videos down a lot more compared to the usual hour and a half rides that I usually do. Try and pick out the best bits, you know, because I do get it, you know, it's a lot. That's a lot to watch. So let's chop them down into manageable pieces. Try and make them even more interesting if we can. This is what I'm talking about, my favourite kind of roads. There's different types of favourite roads. This is more for the scenic side of things. Yes, you can't exactly go quick round corners and stuff, but you know, we've got different roads for that. This is more for, you know, enjoying what Devon's about. Pretty. Oh, the sun coming through the trees as well. Oh, can't see. Can't see a damn thing. Yeah, that is pretty low. This road takes us into the village of Horwood, H-O-R Wood. Oh, it's a pretty quaint little place. And I should take you to the other little path I wanted to take you down. Again, it's just about as stunning. Especially this time of year anyway. Forward. Can't see a thing. Right, we'll cut to the next one anyway. This path is quite hidden. You don't really. It's somewhere that you don't expect it to be, if that makes sense. This sort of turn off, and here it is. This is right by me as well. Yeah. Just around the corner. Bugger, I don't think you can see much of it now. It's nicer on the other side anyway. and it's a bit more sheltered from the sun there. You get lots of dog walkers down here. It looks like they get really annoyed when a car comes down. They seem to forget that it's actually a road. It's like, no, cars can come down here as well, you know. As you had that. I can't see a damn thing. It'll be okay in a second. We're disappearing into the trees. There we go. I couldn't see a single thing then. This bit's very pretty as well. In fact, I'm going to stop everything. I see a photo opportunity. It's actually not that pretty down there. Nice sheep. Yeah. Black sheep. Now I'm going to struggle to make this place look nice. No, carry on. Oop. Neutral. I used to come down here on my mountain bike, which hasn't been for a fair few years now. I swapped my mountain bike for a surfboard and then did surfing for quite a while. Then eventually the surfboard went for a motorbike, and here we are today. Everything looks pretty when it's lit up by the sun. Don't you cut that corner, pal. Hetty will hunt you down if you do. Carry on to this top corner around here, because as far as I'm concerned it's one of the best views in North Devon. You know, this is what people see when they turn up when they turn up to Westwood Home. It's the view that says, now we're on holiday. And it's just here. There it is. See what I mean? Now we're on holiday. You've got the sea, you've got the beach, you've got the lot. Well, cheers for that. That was a couple of my favourite local paths for tonight. I still can't see a thing. Have a good one. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. There's going to be a load more of these coming up. So drop us a comment if there's something else you'd like to see more of or something, but yeah, until then, have yourselves a good one, and I'll see you soon.